were you going to say?
There's another one over there. So if you can go, you can be here. Like that here. I gotta go to the restroom. I'll be right back.
Okay. I have no idea on the type of plane or the flight number, but this is a Spirit. I'm gonna guess it's a 737. And it's going to Orlando, Florida, departing out of ATL, out of gate G6. They're done marshaling the plane out the gate, and they've unhooked the tow bar, and now we're waiting on them to get the all clear to go. They have unhooked it, and it sounds and it looks like it's ready to go. Captain slash co-pilot slash pilot might be doing some final safety inspections, final paperwork. And then this plane is off to Orlando. Home of the Bear Fair. Not really sure why he still stopped. If he doesn't get going in another minute, I will cut this.